So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see a live map of all US government drones and aircrafts. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and in the browser you have to search the site that is globe at absx adsbexchange.com with a forward slash a question mark gov is equals to 1. Just simply type this URL. Be very careful with the URL. Now once you type it, here you're gonna find all the details of the airplanes that are currently flying in the sky in the US region. Here you can see, if I zoom out, I can check it easily uh, right there. These are all are the number of flights that are in the sky in the United States region, with each and every information about every one of them. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.